What's up guys, welcome to another week here at Cosmic Campervans. I wanted to give you a bit of an insight into how our workshop works and also the work that we're getting on with this week to show you exactly what you can expect with your van when it comes into our workshop if you're wanting to have a pop-top roof conversion or anything like that. So let's get straight into it and show you exactly what's going on this week. So over here we've got Tommy, he's a new starter. He's getting trained up, and on this roof we're just prepping the canvas. So this customer has gone for a Caribbean blue scenic canvas. So we're just railing this canvas in. Now, the benefits to the Storm pop-tops is the canvases are actually railed and not attached to the actual physical roof in terms of it's not pinned in. So most traditional pop-top roofs, they are kind of stapled into the roof. So the disadvantage to that is if you have any issues with the canvas, you have to change the whole roof, which is a bit of a pain and can be a very costly expenditure. So with this new style of canvas attachment, what it means is that you can actually take this whole canvas off without removing the roof off the vehicle. So it becomes a much easier and cheaper operation to do if you do have that slight mishap in terms of damaging your canvas. So that's going on to this one. This will then be mounted onto this roof here, onto this vehicle. So if you just look in here, this vehicle has already been converted to a certain state. Like I said, the customer's got some units in here, so it is a bit of a mess at the moment, but what you can see here, we've got all the side trims fitted, pre-wired, and we're going to start to fit the roof after this. So as you can see, it is kind of like a bit of a messy operation having a roof fitted, but we do take care of all the vehicles when they come into us. And then if we move on to here, you can actually see the roof fitted. So we've got to have gone from that stage into this stage here. So this is after the roof has been fitted. This one's actually a long wheelbase, by the way, guys. The roof's a little bit longer, as you can see. And on the inside, we're then starting to prep the pre-wiring. So we've done all the pre-routing of all the cables to the solar panel. That's what they'll be connected to in a second. And then we've fitted all the frame and all the carpeting as well. So once we've done that, we'll start to dress it all back together, and it'll be put back together as if it was a completely new standard van. So you'll be able to walk inside the van, move up and around, as you can see here. So like I said, the main advantage to having the pop-top is being able to move around inside the van. Not only just to sleep in it, but you can actually move up and down the whole vehicle without having to be in a really tight space where you usually be kind of bent over if you're trying to do any cooking. So that's one of the main reasons that most people go for the pop-tops. So once we've done that, we will then move into this stage where the roof is almost in completed stage. So we've finished trimming it, and we're going to start to connect the lights now. So we've pre-wired the lights. They'll be connected, they're 12-volt lights. There'll usually be a switch on this place here or wherever the customer's requested the switch to be, and they'll turn the lights on, and Dan's finishing that off right now. So the next things that we'll need to do on this van is we're actually going to be fitting a heater. So we're going to be lifting the vehicle up on the vehicle lift. We'll fit the heater underneath the chassis of the vehicle. It's still protected by all the plastics of the under trays, and then the heat will come up underneath the driver's seat, and that allows you to use the vehicle all year round, which is a very important feature really, because you don't want to be limited to just using your vehicle in the summer because of the cold weather here in the UK. So that'll be going up on the ramp, and then we've got the rest of the week to complete all of these vans. It's a very busy week, and we've got more vans coming in next week as well. So stay tuned and we'll show you exactly what this kind of work looks like. All right, so one of the other many services we do every single week here is solar panel replacements. So some solar panels don't tend to last as long as the others. We always make sure we fit ones with 5-year warranties on them. So if you do have any issues with them, we can replace them under warranty. But we do get other customers that have come from other campervan conversion companies. The panels have failed and they need a new panel fitting. So this guy dropped in today. We're getting a new panel fitted for him straight away. So what we're going to do is we've basically just taken off that panel, and then we're going to take and fit a brand new 250-watt panel onto the top of it. So this is a really popular service because, again, lots of people have them fail, and we're here to help in that situation. So if you're interested and you do need a new panel fitting, if you're thinking that your battery's not being topped up enough, or you want to have a bit more of extended life when you're going off grid, give us a call, because we can do this very, very quickly for you. And it's a great way to give you that peace of mind that you're going to be able to go out in the van without any problems, and the battery's going to last the time that you're out there.